Hello mga ka-sweetness! Welcome back to my channel again! Hello sa mga bitter na din! Thank you for watching! So ito guys yung warung. Nagpabook kami dito para sa massage, 1 hour massage. Ito yung place niya, ang ganda. And later sa Naked Island tayo. See you! Another nice place. Villas in Siargao. 4 o'clock. Guys, tamang relaxing massage lang, aromatherapy lang ang aming kinuha. Hindi siya masyadong hard. And then, ang ganda guys ng setup nila kasi dito kami sa Bahay Kubo sa labas. Ang view niya is sea view. And then, relaxing. Medyo mainit lang siya pero may electric fan naman. So, ayan guys. Ang ganda ng, tawag dito, ng warung. Warung, ito Indonesian siya, cuisine, may restaurant din sila, may swimming pool, may beach. Ito yung sa Siargao na tinry namin na massage. So, after ng massage, guys, pumunta kami sa, coconut shop. Ayan, Coco Frio. Ang sarap niyan, guys. Pero, mahal lang. 80 pesos ang isa. And then, after that, ayan, nightlife naman, guys. Pumunta kami sa bar. Diyan kami nag-dinner. And, ito yung tinatawag ng happiness. Ayan. Shout out kay Kuya. Nagpa-free yan ng drinks din. And then, ayan. Happiness. And guys, good morning. Morning guys. So kami bar hopping. Island hopping pala. So nandito kami sa port. So guys, dito kami sa Torisa. I told Tuan to be faster, so we are always in the First. First. Not like slow. Because we will be late. We're going on vacation. Ganyan lang yung drive, guys. Yung paa ni Kuya, oh. Walang GPS, guys. So, mano-mano. Galing, no? Hi guys! Nasa Naked Island kami. So ito yung itsura ng Naked Island. Daming tao ngayon, guys. Mahangin pati. Welcome to Naked Island. So, ito yung itsura niya. Today, madaming tao, maraming tourist. Ng buhangin, guys. Oh. Ito yung Naked Island. So, ang linaw ng water, guys. Guys, ang puti ng buhangin. Guys, ang puti ng buhangin, oh. Fly me to the moon.
Hold it there. Still?
Video! Welcome to Naked Island, guys. Ayan si Aunt. Ang puti ng buhangin, ano? Ayan, oh. Yung legs ko lang ang maitim, eh. Oh. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at sa lahat ng pumunta sa premiere ko. Thank you so much, teams. And abangan natin guys, pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa Daku Island. Next destination natin guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sweetness Charm. Bye.